Alright, greetings great minds, it's Emmanuel here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to use multiple MT5 in your PC. Just like as you can see, this MT5 is from Headways Broker, this one is from Just Market Broker. I think I have up to 4 of them installed on my machine from 4 different brokers. The reason why you might need this is not because you have multiple brokers. No, if you have multiple brokers, you can just come to this place and log in. All you need to do is to search for your company here. You see, if I type Octa, oops, sorry. So if I type Octa FX, I'm going to find them and I hit search. You see that OctaFX pops up. So if I want to log in on my OctaFX account now, I'll just click, since this one is already selected, I'll just click on next and give it a time to load. So you see, I'll be able to log in on an OctaFX account. You can see it's already showing OctaFX demo. So if I click this now, I'll be able to select, you see, OctaFX demo, real 2 and normal real. So it means you don't need to be using multiple MT5 just to use multiple brokers. No, so you can log into any broker on your MT5 that you have downloaded. Either you downloaded it from Headway or from anywhere. You can use it to log into any broker at all. So the reason why we are using multiple is that we want to be able to trade on 2 accounts at the same time. You get the point. So this kind of operation would normally require you to use 2 different devices, right? But with the strategy I'm going to show you, you'll be able to trade with 2 different MT5 at the same time, meaning you'll be able to trade on 2 different accounts at the same time. So the strategy that made me to get this is the news hedging strategy. It's a hedging strategy that requires me to trade on one account and trade on the second account. So as a result of that, 2 accounts is required to run at the same time and execute trade the same time manually. So that's where the concept of using 2 different accounts comes in. So now let's quickly go ahead and let me show you how to set this up. It's very much easy. All right, let's go. So here, the first thing you want to do, of course, is you want to download the MT5, right? On some brokers, you're going to find a section called download, but there's no download section here. What they only have is platforms. So under platforms, you can see MetaTrader 5 for PC, Android, and iPhone, and so on. You just click on the MT5 for PC, and I'm sure it will take us to the download page. Okay, so it has loaded. So when we scroll down, we were able to see this download button for Windows and for Mac. So you just click on download. If I click on download now, it's going to download an executable file. All right, so by the time you are done downloading it and you go to your download folder, you will notice a file like this. This one is from Xness. If you download from another broker, it's likely to have the name of the broker and then you see setup or whatever. So but you're going to download, you're going to find a file like this in your download folder. So this is the file you will right click and start installing. So let's do it. So you click on, you double click it like this to pop up this one, then you click on yes and give it a second. So now it will open up this page. So don't click on next. Okay, this is where the work comes in. You click on settings. When you click on settings, you see it says installation folder, so you can change the installation folder here. So all you have to do now is to come to your desktop and create a folder. Okay, you give it the name of the broker you want to. So I name it Xness MT5 and then I click on enter and the folder is set. So all I have to do now is just click on browse. From there I'll go to my desktop and then you see Xness MT5. I'll just select it and click on OK. Now by doing this, I have changed the installation directory to this particular folder I created, which means everything will be installed here and not on the default directory. So this is how to do it. This is all it takes. And then the next thing, you can now click on next and it will start installing. The next thing, there will be a button here that will say finish. Just click on it and you are done. So once the installation is done, you will find folder like this. If I want to open it now, you just open the folder and then you'll find things like this. So take note, this is where you log in from. You see Meta Editor 64. Your system might not show this extension. If your system is, if you hide the option to show extension in your machine, so don't worry about the extension. Let me also hide it in case of those of you which their owns are hidden, so everything will not look confusing to you. So if your extension is hidden in your machine, it will most likely look this way. So, but you see this Meta Editor 64, ignore it. Meta Tester 64, ignore it. So this is what you'll be clicking if you want to open the app. You see, Terminal 64. That's what you'll be clicking. If you click on install, you will start uninstalling this application. So always click on Terminal 64. Alright, so now let's open it by clicking on Terminal 64. Double click and then you wait for it to load. You see, it has opened the Just Market for me. It's as simple as that. You see that it opened and even brought back my robot. So that's how this thing works, guys. It's as simple as that. There's no big deal. Whenever you want to open it, you open the folder, go to Terminal 64, and you will open your you open the MT5, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is really helpful, then give the video a thumbs up and follow me for more. Thank you.